So now let's look at how MCP works. Take a look at the diagram on your screen. Here we have a user, a child in this case, saying, I love cold weather. Now, this statement isn't just a sentence, it is a context. It holds a preference, emotions, and potential intent. This context is picked up by the MCP layer. Think of the MCP layer as a middleman, a smart dispatcher. It takes the user's context and routes it to various agents that may be involved. The flight booking agent sees this and starts searching for cooler destinations. The music agent looks up cozy, relaxing playlists fit for winter evenings. The smart home automation agent might prepare to lower your room temperature or adjust lighting for a cold weather vibe. All of these actions are context aware and coordinated. No duplication, no contradictions, just clean, intelligent collaborations. Next, we will explore the building blocks of MCP.